this is the after church here. And look at the kakanin, so many people. They're biko-biko, they're... Yes. Would you like to say hello to my vlog? It's Bonita at your service. That's the kakanin, the street food and snacks and vegetables. So busy. Witty Bonita, sir, my YouTube channel. Witty Bonita. Hello! Ito na, dami-dami ng tao. Sige, pili lang. Yeah. Sige, pili. Vlogger? Yes, okay, hello. Sige na. Hello to my camera, to my vlog. Happy Father's Day, sir.
Thank you.
Tiksim ba ka kada ano dia? Kada Sunday?
Hindi, parang oras. Ikaw, ako pumunta.
Wala pa ko ni Simba, naninda pa ko, namitinda. Oh. Yay! Let's go. Look at them. Mga, busy. Hello to my vlog. Pili-pili lang kayo sa mga snacks. Sa mga kakanin. That's the specialty here in the Philippines. Delicacy specialty in the Philippines. Suman biko, kuchinta, and everything. Sige, pili-pili lang. Hello to my vlog. This is your Witty Bonita. Makita na kayo sa YouTube channel. Ang daming tao. Yeah. This is beside the church here in Kauswagan. Eco Church.